Hello everyone. So in this video we have a very interesting question to you pertaining to permutations. So let's take a look. Find the number of permutations of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 such that each k with k being greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5, at least one of the first k terms of the permutation is greater than k. So basically k can be placed in any order of total 6 digits where one of the first term of k has to be greater than k. So let's try and solve this. So we'll solve the following with multiple cases in general. Okay. So the first case that we'll be focusing on is if first number equal to 6. Okay. So if the first number is equal to 6, so we have 6 numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 can be placed. Suppose 6 is placed here. Okay, so rest of the 5 numbers can be placed in any order in this 5 places. So therefore total number of ways here would be 5 factorial or 120. Okay, so this is the way in which first number 6 can be picked, or the permutation of the same. So let me just highlight these numbers. So this is my first number is 120. Next up, if first number is equal to 5. Okay, so again we have 5 places, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 is fixed here. So 6 can actually go on any of these places. So 6 can be here, 6 can be here, here. So 6 can actually go on all places except for this. 6 cannot be in this particular place because the number exceeding 6 should be basically greater than. Just give me a second. Number 1, k such that k is greater than 1. Okay, oh sorry, my bad guys. Six can actually go in any places except for the last one. Okay, so 6 can be in 4 different places. So anywhere 6 can be, and for the rest of the 4 different ways, each of the number can be placed in 4 factorial ways. So therefore total number of ways, if we consider here, we have 4 for 6 into 4 factorial, giving 96 ways. Okay, let me highlight the same as well. Okay, now next condition that we will be discussing would be if first number is equal to 4. So here multiple cases we'll see actually. So what are the multiple cases? That is, first case would be 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. So this can be done in basically 4 factorial ways because these two are fixed. So this is done in 24 ways. Again, next one would be 4 dash 6, 2, 3. This can be done in again 4 factorials, 3 factorial, 3 to 6, and this can be filled in another 4 ways, so another 24 ways. Next one would be something like 4 to 6 dot. This one can be filled in 2 factorial ways and another 2 factorial ways. So again, 4 into 4 and 4. So again, this will again be 24 ways, and another one will be 4, 6, and 12. So here 5 must go between 4 and 6. Okay, so the number of ways, 5 will be somewhere here, and there will be 5 will be somewhere in these 3 spots, and the rest we'll have 3 different ways. So 5 have 3 options and rest can be filled in 3 factorial ways. So basically we have 18 ways. So if we add all this up, we have 90. Okay. So I hope this much is clear. So now let's discuss if the first number is equal to 3. Okay, so let's try and solve the same. If the first number is 3, first way would be 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be done again in 24 ways, similar to 4, similar to 3. So 3 dash 6, 6, 6, 6. This again in 24 ways, similarly 6. This one. So here what we can do is we'll place 1 over here. Okay, so we'll place 1 here. So this can be done. There are 4 ways. This can be done in 4 ways. Similarly, if we do 3, 2, 6, another 4 ways for the same. Next we have 3, 4, 6. It can be again done in 6 ways now. 3, 5, another 6 ways, 5. This can be again done in 6 ways. 6 ways, and finally this can be done in 4 ways. And if we add this entire thing up, we get 84 ways in which 3 can be the first number. Okay, and now the final case that we will discuss, if the first number is equal to 2. So in that case, again multiple cases, 24 ways, 2 dash 6, 18 ways, 2, 3 fix, we have 6, 4 ways, 2, 4 dash 6, 6 ways, 2, 5, 6 dash, again 6 ways, 2 dash 5 dash 6 dash. This will be in another 4 ways, 2, 4 dash 5 6 dash will be 2 ways, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 in 1 way. And if we add this all up, we get 71 ways. Okay, so now total number of ways would be given by 120 plus 96 plus 90 plus 84 plus 71. So this would give me 210, 214, 294, 294, 21. So basically 461 would be my final answer. So I hope this particular sum is clear to you. It was a clear case of combination based, that is we simply had to fix all the numbers and subsequently we have to fix the choices in case that all the conditions are prerequisite conditions are met. So kindly go through the video and try to understand how we have come about with the same, like fixing the numbers. Basically, this particular condition is kept in mind. Okay, at least one term where k permutation greater than k. This is kept in mind. So with that said, we've come to the end of our video. Hopefully you understood. So kindly go through the video as many times as you like, so that you can get a better understanding on the same, and also practice the sum, solve it on your own with the video as a reference to get the gist of it. So with that said, welcome to the end of the video, and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.